When we consider investing in a company or venture fund, we ask ourselves, what benefits will this opportunity drive for BC? Does it have the potential to drive economic value and financial returns? Will it grow and keep talent in BC? How is it innovating to support people or our planet? We focus on sectors with high growth potential so that our investments not only benefit companies, but the broader community. Because at the end of the day, that's what we're trying to do. Create meaningful impact for the people of British Columbia.
Clarius is on a mission to bring the power of medical imaging into the hands of every physician. Clarius, through technology, is trying to make ultrasound more accessible, handheld, portable, and using artificial intelligence, help physicians interpret the results sooner. Through the increased investment, we've been able to hire more artificial intelligence engineers and also scale up in terms of sales our activities.
My name is Felix Böck. I'm the CEO and founder of Chop Valley Manufacturing, and we recycle chopsticks to turn them into new engineered products in microfactories. We came up with a decentralized network of microfactories that actually uses underutilized resources to create as much value as possible in engineering and design for new products. And that's how we prove a viable circular economy. When we look at tangible impact since InBC came in as an investor in our company, we were able to reinvest into new talent that was needed for the next stage of our expansion. And we're really able to double down on the technology improvement and the expansion of our microfactory concept, growing out of BC internationally.
BC is home to some of the fastest growing sectors in Canada, like life sciences and technology. Local and long-term capital funding is critical to ensuring more companies have what they need to succeed, and that BC is seen as a global hub for innovation and entrepreneurship.
Sanctuary is providing autonomous labor, a dexterous, agile, intelligent platform for human parity performance against a broad range of work activities. Our head and hands approach focuses on the high level of dexterity in these adaptable AI systems and really focus on real-time learning on real tasks. The funding environment here in BC is a little bit different from other regions in Canada and in the US. And for companies to succeed in our region, we really do require provincial level support. InBC is stepping into this gap, and between their commitment to fostering innovation here in our region and their alignment with our mission of AI in the physical world and the potential impacts of those technologies on our province, we made for very good partners in our mission.
It is critical to have investors that you're aligned with in terms of your values and that you are looking towards the same horizon. My name is Saad. I'm the CEO of Mangrove Lithium. We have developed the next generation of lithium processing and refining technology for the lowest cost, highest purity production of battery-grade lithium chemicals for the EV market. We're building a commercial plant in Delta. It is the first electrochemical lithium refining technology or process being developed in North America. And that InBC's investment is really going towards accelerating the deployment of that plant and bringing together a commercial plant that's going to produce about 1,000 tons of lithium, equivalent for about 25,000 EVs. So that's been quite an important part of the investment. It's allowed us to grow the team, to be able to support our engineering and operations, as well as add some key hires in terms of helping to de-risk the rest of the business from a financing perspective, from a BD perspective, as well as an overall engineering perspective.
InBC's investment strategy also includes venture funds. We focus on funds with deep sectoral expertise that provide diversification across geographies and company growth stages to ensure a well-balanced portfolio. When we do this, we're fostering an environment where BC-based startups can thrive, encouraging innovation and attracting more investors to the province, which creates a self-sustaining ecosystem.
My name is Maria Pacella, and I'm the managing partner of Pender Ventures. We invest in transformational health tech and B2B technology companies at the early growth stages. Our mission is to invest in companies that are making a real-world impact and driving long-term sustainable value. We view InBC as not just a capital partner, but a strategic partner. InBC has been very instrumental in a number of ways, such as bringing together key stakeholders in the local innovation ecosystem to help brainstorm ideas on how to move our ecosystem forward.
InBC is taking a holistic approach to investing. Of course, we're looking to generate financial returns. It's what allows us to reinvest in the market. But it goes beyond that. It's about building an innovation ecosystem that is going to sustain and grow BC's economy, benefit British Columbians, and protect this beautiful province.